All right guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at the autogen. This is a 4500 peak amp of starting power battery jumper for 12-volt vehicles. On the back here we can see it works as a power bank as well, so you can charge your cell phones. It has an ultra bright light on it, built-in cigarette socket. Yeah, you can jump start cars, RVs, trucks, boats, motorcycles. For the nerds, you guys can pause the video right here and read more specs. Let's get unboxing and show you guys. What's cool about this one, it comes with a nice protective case, so it's easily portable. That is a must. I love when they come with cases, so that's very important to me. All right, inside you get a manual, warranty card. You get a 2-prong outlet to USB for charging, and what you would do is you plug this USB port right into the plug there, plug this into your wall, then plug the Type-C into your jumper to charge it. Or you could plug in your Type-C to the jumper and then this USB port into anything else to jump it. If you got a solar power bank, no problem, you can jump it that way. Not jump it, but charge your power bank. Here's your alligator clamps, and it does appear that they are copper, which is nice. You definitely want that. It shows that they do take care of and they respect the customer. On the side here we can see boost, reverse. If it says reverse, that means you put the alligator clamps on the wrong way. Just to go over very quickly, boost, once you have this plugged in to your jumper and your terminals, your alligator clamps connected to your battery terminal on your battery under your vehicle, under the hood, you would then, if you have a completely dead battery, you can press and hold the boost button for a little bit, should be about 5-6 seconds, and then that will allow full boost to send full power to jump that dead battery. If you don't have a dead battery, it's just weak or low, then that's no problem. You don't have to press the boost button. Now let's take a look at the actual jumper here. We see we have 2 USB ports, 1 Type-C port, a flashlight light on the front. We have our 12-volt outlet, so you can plug 12-volt items inside there. You plug in your jumper cable right in here. And sorry guys for messing up. As you can see, it is very hot out today, so I am very hot. It's been a crazy heat streak here where we live. You can press the power button to see the power battery indicator level, and it's that simple. You just simply plug this right in here, connect your black negative to the negative part on your battery, the red positive to the positive terminal on your battery under your hood, and then press the power button and go ahead and turn your key after about 15 seconds, 10-15 seconds, and just keep turning. Just leave your key turned. Don't turn it like this and then let go. Don't do that. Turn it, leave it go, and it should send the juice and jump your vehicle. All right guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.